Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we have the formula in here. So we need to transform sine 2x, that is about 2 sine x cosine x. So number 2 and number 2, we have number 4. The square root of number 4, that is about number 2. Next, we need to put about cosine x to the power of 4 over cosine x. So this one will go inside the square root. And we have over cosine x squared. This one that is about sine x over cosine x. Next, we have the formula in here. Sine x over cosine x, that is about tan x. 1 over cosine x squared, that is about secant of x squared equals to tan x squared plus 1. So this one that is about tan x. This one we can put like this. So this one that is about this one. And this one that is about this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan x. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we got like this. Now we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, we put number 0 cone here. So u equals to number 0. When s equals to b over 4, so I will put this one cone here. So u equals to number 1. So number 0 we keep the same. This one we change for number 1. This one we change for u. This one we change for u. This one we change for du. So u squared divided by the square root of u. Number 1 divided by the square root of u. So we have like this. So this one that is about 3 over number 2. And now we have the final answer. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. And this one that is about 5 over 2. This one that is about 5 over 2. This one that is about 1 over 2. And now we put number 1 and number 0 cone here. So we calculate and we have 6 over number 5. This is the end. Thank you for watching.